Dividing mixed numbers takes what you know about dividing fractions and multiplying mixed numbers and kind of puts those two things together. When you divide mixed numbers, you can't do it. You can't divide with mixed numbers, just like multiplying. Before you multiplied, you had to change your mixed numbers to improper fractions, and when we divide, we have to do the same thing. So the very first step we have is to change our mixed numbers to improper fractions. So 4 and 1/8, 8 times 4 is 32, plus 1 is 33. So we get 33 over 8. And then I'm going to do the same thing for 1 3/4. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7. So I have 7/4. So I have 33/8 divided by 7/4. Now once we get rid of our mixed numbers, this is a regular division problem. So again, we need to think about what do we know about division. The first fraction stays the same, 33 over 8. We also know that our division changes to multiplication, and then also that our second fraction changes and we use the reciprocal. Okay, now we're back to what we did when we multiplied. We're going to look at this and see, is there anything here I can simplify? And I know that 4 and 8 have a common factor of 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. And that's it. I can't simplify 33 or 7. And so now my last step here is going to be to multiply. 33 times 1 is 33, and 2 times 7 is 14. Now, that's my answer, but it's not my final answer, because the very last thing I'm going to have to do is, if I can, I need to change this back to a mixed number. 33/14 can be simplified to 2 and 5/14. Okay, let's try another one. So this time we have a combination of dividing a whole number and a mixed number. Now remember, whole numbers, we can't do anything with a whole number. We have to change that into a fraction, and we do that by putting it over 1. And now we have this mixed number. So we've got a whole number divided by a mixed number. So I've got 8 over 1 divided by, and I need to take this mixed number and change it into an improper fraction. So 5 times 1 is 5, plus 4 is 9. So I get 9 over 5. So now I've got this division problem. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this first fraction, leave it alone. I'm going to take this division sign, change it to multiplication. And what I'm going to multiply by is the reciprocal of the second fraction. So I flip that over and get 5 over 9. Now the next thing I want to do is look and see if there's anything here that I can simplify. And this is actually one that can't be simplified. Okay, I can't simplify 5/9. I can't simplify 8 over 1. There's nothing I can do diagonally. So because I can't simplify, I'm just going to go straight ahead and multiply this. So 8 times 5 is 40. 1 times 9 is 9. So I have 40 over 9. And now my last step is to put it back as a mixed number. And I know that 40 can be divided by 9 4 times with 4 left over. So 4 and 4/9 is my final answer.